Hi, I'm Jazz with another quick review. I just got this today, fresh out of the box. It's a 240 to 12 volt transformer with a cigarette lighter style adapter. And basically I got it so I could power most of my products, such as this and this and some various other ones. Any of the products that are over 65 watts that I can't basically power through my battery system. So yeah, that's about, I think the cooker is about 100 watts, the kettle's about 80 watts. As I say, with my actual battery, there's extra sockets you can plug into, but it'll only allow up to 65 watts. So that was the idea of getting this. It's a German-made product, so it should be pretty good. And this is it really. You've just got the main transformer, a little Velcro fandango, and then you got your cigarette lighter adapter, and then a simple plug-in 3-pin plug, and that just goes direct into there. Right, so as I said, simple, straightforward, goes into there, and then plug that into the inverter. So I just pause on that and fire up the inverter, plug this in, just check it's all groovy, and I shall show you how that's done. I seem to have pulled over in a very busy spot. It was very quiet a moment ago, but as you will probably hear dogs barking. I've got it on noise reduction, but sorry about that. I'll just give you a close-up of this product. So that's how it is. And there's all the various stats. Hopefully you can see that. We'll zoom in. And you've got a little green LED here that lights up just to show that it's on, powered up, which it isn't at the moment. That's the other end of the cable with a female cigarette lighter adapter. Kaboom! And yeah, that's it. I shall go on to the next. So right, back in the room. So I've plugged that into the inverter. Hopefully you can see that. You've just got the little LED on to let you know it's working. I fancy a cup of tea, so I'm going to just plug this straight in. So that's for the kettle, so power straight there. Yeah, basically doing it this way saves me bringing along my sort of heavy duty power pack, which is, yeah, it's quite bulky, and obviously it takes up no room at all, and it's just a simple way of me doing it. Yeah, so that's it. It's just a quick review. Hopefully that's been of some use to you. Speak to you soon. Goodbye.